My name is Gabrielle Smith. I am the Deputy Principal of Students at Waverley College. We currently have 1,500 students with a junior school commencing in Year 5, offering Year 5 and 6 on a separate campus, and 7 to 12 up in a senior school campus. Waverley College is a Catholic, all-boys independent school in the eastern suburbs of Sydney. We'd actually heard through Edmund Rice Education that the Writers' Toolbox had been a successful program that was rolled out amongst some of the schools. So we decided to go along to a college in Sydney to hear a little bit more about the program and understand if it would fit in our environment. And we went in, and I happened to be the first person to be chosen to look at my writing from my story of arriving at the workshop that day amongst many English teachers. And the result from that original piece of writing to after we were given some tips and tricks to what I was able to produce, I think was the moment that myself and the teacher that I was at the conference with went, oh my goodness, actually, for staff who we're trying to ensure that we have consistency around this space in the college, it will be incredibly beneficial to see what we can do across the board with this program, not just focusing in the English department, but from Year 5 through to Year 12 across all faculties. The Toolbox Approach resonates with me because it engages our students and engages all of our students. So we don't have students sitting there not participating or flying under the radar. Everyone's connected, we're able to track all our students, monitor their progress, and they are actually enjoying it. And we can see that, you can see it when you walk around the classrooms. It is alive with activity and hype when they're working on the program. We thought that we would try and just roll out Year 5, and we were still a little bit hesitant, and we wanted to see just how successful it was. And we saw such success with the students and with their growth and with their engagement in Writers' Toolbox that we could see this already 6 months in, and we went, right, this is the first program that we have actually seen where every child's engaged, they're receiving instantaneous feedback, they're all working, we're able to track their progress. And so we just from then decided we want to make sure this is rolled out, and we knew PD was vital for this to get all our staff on board, all staff talking the same language. And so we knew if we were going to do it, we wanted to do it properly. Properly means PD and time allocated to this, and time for those rich discussions to take place as well.